Hello guys, I hope you all are good and everything is fine. So first of all, please hit the subscribe icon and hit the bell icon. So today our topic is how to perform actions in imvu. So first of all, you need to go in shop. After that, you need to go in woman or men tab. So click on all, then you can see here action tab, click on that. As you can see here some poses, and you can also see some different action like meme, like sitting pose for couples, and also you can see here different things like lights. So I will perform this dance to show you how to use it. So as you can see here, after adding this dancing action, I can perform it easily. So you can buy it from here, and you can also see more dancing actions and poses action, so you can perform it easily. Please like and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. So I'm gonna end this video here, so bye.